Hello everyone, this is Thunderbolt, and are you stuck on how to start your Minecraft world? Because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start and survive your first night in Minecraft. And if you've already been playing Minecraft for a while, none of the things I'm going to be saying in this video is necessarily new news. But if you're new to the game, I hope that this video can help you start your Minecraft adventure. So without further ado, let's get into this. So here we have the create new world screen, and you can list your world name, select your game mode and difficulty. For the purposes of this tutorial I'm going to be using survival. In survival, mobs deal damage, you have to get your own resources, and you have fall damage and hunger. Meanwhile in creative, you can build with unlimited resources and fly around, and mobs can't hurt you, plus you don't have a hunger bar either. But achievements won't be unlocked in creative. And difficulty is basically where you have peaceful, easy, normal and hard. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you're new but still want the full Minecraft experience, I recommend playing on easy or normal. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be playing on normal. So, let's create the world. And here we are. We have spawned into our world. The first thing you're going to want to do when you start your world is mine wood. And this can be done by hitting the right trigger if you're playing on Xbox or PlayStation, and Switch as well. And the reason why you're getting wood is so you can craft a crafting table and early game tools. Wood is a key component of Minecraft, especially early game. You'd often find yourself building structures or using many tools that are made out of wood. And once you've got your wood logs, you can have to go to your inventory and build some planks. And then you're going to build the crafting table. The crafting table is the key to success. It allows you to build many of your tools and blocks, and you'll be using it all through Minecraft. And you can see your crafting recipes under crafting. So I need some sticks to build a sword. So I'll go right over here. And I'm also going to want to build a wooden axe and pickaxe. And then once you're done, you can just mine your crafting table. And that's done. Now I'm going to mine some more wood so we can build a house later. But you can do this in any order you want. This is just a guide. You don't have to follow this from step to step. Play your way. It's your Minecraft world. This is just how I do it. And as you can see, the right of my inventory bar over here, there is some meat icons. And that is your hunger. As you start moving around, running and jumping, your hunger is going to go down. And once it depletes to 3, you won't be able to sprint anymore. And once it goes to 0, you'll start taking damage. So to avoid that, you have to kill some animals. So now I have a few pork chops. Once you get some stone and some coal, you'll be able to cook it as well, and then it will recover more hunger bars. And now we're going to have to try and find some sheep. And this is to build our bed later at night. And also, if you ever come across one of these things, a broken nether portal, you'll often find a chest. And this will contain some good loot. And this over here is armour, and you can equip it by doing this. Looks neat, doesn't it? And this means that you'll take less damage from mobs attacking you. And here we found a sheep. We also have wool. We need 3 to make a bed, along with some wood, which we already have. Sheep shouldn't be too hard to find, as long as you're not in a snow biome or anything. Or a desert as well. And there we go. We have 3 pieces of wool. And once we craft a few more sticks, you can now see that we can craft a white bed. Now you can see what time it is generally where the sun is. When it's midday, the sun will be in the middle. We're going to have to stay safe when it's night, because many of the mobs will spawn. And mobs are things like zombies, skeletons, spiders, and they all attack you. And if you want to get some stone, you use your pickaxe to mine stone. You won't want to use your fist mining stone because it will take forever, and then you'll realise you get no stone from it. So always use a pickaxe when mining stone. And here we have some coal. Coal is used to be either put in a furnace so you can cook some meat or any other thing you like, or it can be used to make torches, and that lights up the area and also prevents mobs from spawning even at night in the area that's lit up. So coal is a very helpful resource, and one you want to have in early game, and all of the game for that matter. And now I feel as though it's time to start building a house. You have to be quite fast, because night is going to come soon. It doesn't have to be too big, as you can always change it in the future. And the more you play, the grander it can become. A quick way to find a house is if you find a village, you'll be able to stay in a villager's house overnight, or any night. And as you can see, it's getting dark now. We find a spot, start building our house. I realise that it's not going to be the most beautiful structure I've built ever, but it's fine. I'll change it later. Yeah, this really doesn't look good, but it doesn't matter at the beginning of the game. Actually, it doesn't matter at all. You build what you want, and beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I think that's how the quote goes. See, this is a zombie. And over there is a creeper, that green thing. Creepers spawn at all times of the day, and they explode when you get near, so make sure not to get near a creeper. You'll regret it. And it's certainly not a good house, but we can live with it. And by sleeping, we skip the whole of the night. And there you go. You've survived your first night of Minecraft. And a few things before I go. Here we have a furnace and a chest. With this furnace, I can put some coal and cook some mutton. and with this coal, I can also build a torch. So say for example, if an area gets dark, I'll be able to place my torch over here, and the whole area will be lit up. And here we have a door, and you can just place it like so. Neat. And with the chest, you can store stuff in, because the inventory isn't infinite. And say for example, if you die out in the wild and you can't find your spawn point, it's always good to have spare loot here. So I can keep my precious efficiency golden shovel safe. And there you go. That is it for this little how-to, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!